Hey everyone. So today I'm showing you how to fix horizontal or vertical green lines on your laptop screen in Windows 11. This issue can be caused by hardware or software problems, but let's troubleshoot it step by step. Let's get started. All right, first thing, the best way to diagnose the problem is to connect your laptop to an external monitor. If you have one available, plug it in using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Now, check if the green line appears on the external monitor too. If you don't see the line on the external monitor, it means your laptop screen itself is damaged. It's a hardware issue with the display panel. Okay, but if you do see the green line on the external monitor, it's likely a graphics card driver issue. That's what we're going to fix next. Here's the thing. Right-click the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You'll see your graphics card listed here. It might be Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will search online and on your PC for the latest graphics driver. Wait for the update to complete. If Windows finds a new driver, it will install it automatically. If it says the best driver is already installed, you might need to visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download the latest driver manually. Once the driver update is complete, close Device Manager and restart your computer. After rebooting, check if the green line is gone. And that's it. If the line disappears, it was a driver issue. If it's still there, you may need to replace the laptop screen or get professional repair. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.